Hello, this is Muji with Muji Truck Sales. I have a 2018 Peterbilt. Peterbilt 337. Engine paccar CX7. This is the good paccar engine. Good tires in the front. This engine is equivalent to Cummins. Cummins 6.7. Clean chassis. It is air suspension. Aluminum lift gate. 4,400 pounds capacity. 4,400 pounds capacity. Lift gate is working. The box is a high cube box. It's a 108 inches high. This is the highest box you can find out there. And it's 28 feet long. This is the longest box you can have for a medium duty. This truck requires a Class B license. It's a CDL Class B. CDL Class B license. 33,000 GVW. Gross vehicle weight is 33,000. Clean chassis. No rust. No oil leaks. 100-gallon fuel tank. 100-gallon fuel tank. No oil leaks. Look at this beautiful truck. High cube box, 28 feet long. You can build a sleeper in this box. It has 408,000 miles. 408,000 miles. Okay, let's start this truck. Everything is intact. Everything is in a good shape. Power windows. All right, let's start the truck. AC is working. No check engine light. 408,000 miles. Beautiful truck. Push button. Allison automatic transmission. Paccar engine. Beautiful, beautiful truck.